Hi garden friends. It's Sunday. It's beautiful. It's a good, let's see, 80 degrees in San Diego near the coast. So there's some breeze going on, but it's still pretty hot. It's a lovely, lovely day. I have this basket that I scored at the thrift shop. It was $1. And what I've done here is I've lined it with this is just 2 bags of the bags that you basically put your groceries in at the grocery store, those thin ones. Anyways, I've done 2 coats of those, so 2 of them, and I've taped it at the rim right there. Yeah. And the reason why I do this is because I want to prolong the life of this basket. So this basket, I got it, like I said, at a thrift shop for $1. And I thought, yeah, it's a perfect planter. And for this, for like makeshift type of planters, you know, I tend to protect them. Because whatever this like basket is made of, it'll eventually, if I don't put this liner, it'll eventually rot, deteriorate, and go away. So I'm just prolonging the life of this basket. So you don't necessarily have to do this. If you don't care about your basket like rotting away, then you can just move on to the next step. And the next step is the moss. So let's see. I have here kind of damp sphagnum moss and Spanish moss mixed in together, and I'm gonna make a bed in this basket. A bed for the succulents, and I'll show you the succulents right after I get this little bed going. We're almost done here. And I don't care if the white or the clear plastic is showing, but I'm gonna try and cover it as much as I can. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And I'm also trying to develop a well right in the center. And I have a ton of succulents that I want to show you. I don't know if they're all gonna fit though. And this moss is slightly damp. Not sure if I mentioned that. Slightly damp, so it can be better to work with. It becomes sort of like a net that you can like stretch and like pack in together. And it kind of sort of gives the basket a like rustic look, kind of country style. And this is the last bit of the moss that I have. And I think I pulled it off. Okay. I'm gonna try and make a bed, or a well, I should say, right in there. Cool. And I'm kind of covering the whole bag here. Let me take off that ring before I wreck it. Okay. Forgot to take that off. All right. Just noticed it. Now for the soil. All right. Okay. I think I have enough soil in there. That's a big twig. I'm gonna get that off, or take that off, pull that off, and I'll show you the plants that I have. Okay. I have this beautiful green Echeveria. It's kind of dusty, sorry. And I think it's a, oh man, Doris Taylor, I want to say. But on the description part of the video, I will name all of these properly. Beautiful. Look at, oh my God, look at the margins. So it's got the really dark margins, the dots, super stressed. Look at it. Oh, beautiful rosette. Echeveria Doris Taylor, I believe. I also have chocolate soldiers, and these are Kalanchoes. Look at that. They kind of look fake. They're velvety, beautiful brown and like copper green. Beautiful, beautiful Kalanchoes. I have a Mazarine here. And like I said before, I don't know if I will fit all of these in this basket, but I'm just showing you all the plants that I have. Mazarine. Oh, I have a bunch of Vera Higgins to use as fillers. Beautiful, like bronzy red. Oh, just gorgeous, juicy succulents. And I have here, this is a Dudleya, and I don't know what variety it is. Beautiful, super like farina like type of succulent. Oh my God. Dusty Rose Echeveria. Oh my goodness, I love these. 2 Lolas. Two Moonglows. Look how chubby those are. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness. And some filler. Some little Missy. Sedum. Little Missy. It looks kind of strangly because it is, but it'll do well in this arrangement. So what am I going to do? I am going to put my Doris Taylor, or what I think it is a Doris Taylor, right here. I'm going to do a bigger well. Oh my God, put that one right there, tuck it in. Oh, perfect, perfect. I think I'm going to do a Vera right here, and I'm going to grab my knitting needle. And I will, you know, for those like little missing pieces around this basket where you can see the plastic bag, I will put more moss on top, because I don't think I had enough in there. I don't think I prepped enough. Because these have long stems, I need to do like really deep wells, and I'm gonna just tuck it in there, right there. Perfect. Maybe I'll do another one. Make my well with my knitting needle. All right, perfect. All right, so now I think I'll put the Kalanchoe, the chocolate soldiers, right in the back right here. All right, so let's see what I have. I have this one, whew, and this one. So I'll start with this one, and let's see, put this one here. Kind of press it down. Make another little well here. Oof. Put that one. Press it down. Let me grab the one that fell down. Whoopsie. And put that one in the front. And I think I will put more soil. No. Okay. So I can just anchor it down. Whoops. Moving that moss around. Okay. All right. This is more like a, now that I see it, it's more like a winter arrangement rather than a summer arrangement. But hey, I'm halfway there, so I'm not gonna stop now. Okay. So now I want to add this. I want to add this little Missy, but I don't know where. Should it be in the front? Oh my God. I for sure want to put the Dusty Rose because I love this succulent and I feel that it has to be in here somehow. I was very ambitious with this arrangement and I got all of these succulents together, but they don't all fit. And that is the truth. I'm gonna add more soil just to cushion that Dusty Rose in there. You know, and now that I have 2 Vera Higgins here, I kind of want to put one here. So the biggest one, yep. Okay, so that's what I'll do. I'll put a taller Vera Higgins over here just to kind of match it up. I like to match succulents in 3, like 1, 2, 3, like somehow in there. 2, I don't know. It's kind of like a rip-off for me. Anyways, let me make this swell a little deeper because it doesn't want to go in there. Oh, okay. So that's working out. And I'll probably put, what should I put right here? Another Vera Higgins. Should I? Should I put a Moonglow? Just to like freshen things up. Yeah, it should be a Moonglow. Okay, whoa. And without wrecking that Vera Higgins, I'm gonna try to make a well. Yep, try to make some space for this Graptoveria Moonglow, just to even it all out, you know? Oh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so now I've got this much right here, and that Mazarine would, ooh, didn't mean to just drop that one. I think the Mazarine would do really good here. Okay, let's see if I can fit it in there. Oh, I can. And I know that these chocolate soldiers look snug, and it's okay. And that Moonglow does too, but it's all right. It's all right. I'm gonna. Oh, we're shaking. We're wobbly. Okay. So now, what am I gonna put there? Can I put a Lola? Like, is that okay? Yeah. Lola it is. Lola. So I'm digging a well there. And I'm putting in my friend Lola. She's awesome. Okay. Now, should I put the smaller, like Vera Higgins, like I kind of want to put a smaller Vera Higgins right here. Okay, but not too deep in there. There we go. And I couldn't, wow. So I was really super, like, okay. Super, like, I overestimated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 succulents. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful to me though. Okay, so like that. I'm gonna arrange them, kind of adjust them how I want them to look. And like I said before, I'm gonna cover all of this plastic up with more sphagnum moss and make it look nice and full. Oh my God, you guys, this is so beautiful. And I kind of want to put another Vera Higgins here. Or what should it be? It should be a Moonglow. So I'm going to put this Vera Higgins like hanging out. even though I just ripped off a leaf, yeah, that happens. And I'm gonna just toss it out. I'm kind of insensitive with these plants, kind of. It's like soft and rough all at the same time. And I'm gonna put the Moonglow right here. And the Vera Higgins right there. I'm gonna tuck that moss there. Oh, gosh, you guys. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I am in love. You know, the simplicity of just making an arrangement and just feeling really good after, you know? That is garden therapy for you. If you like making them, watching them being made, I mean, what's the difference, right? Oh my God. I'm gonna grab my little air blower here. Make sure to grab it by the tip here, because then it'll just blow off. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. And you know what? I didn't get to use my little Missy. That extra Lola. 2 Vera Higgins. And the Dudleya. So I'll put this Dudleya in a terracotta pot all on its own. Because I only have 2 Dudleyas. So I should really keep an eye on them. But check this out. Oh man. I'm dirty again. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. So I'll do a little coverage right here with more sphagnum moss. But check this out. Oh my God. What a, and you know what? I'll cover all of that with sphagnum moss. Just want to turn it around without dropping it. I almost dropped it there. Not sure if you noticed, but I will cover all of that with sphagnum moss. Super cute little basket that I found at the thrift shop here, around here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Sunday. Until the next one. Bye, garden lovers.